The first domestic Maglev centrifugal air compressor is a new high-efficiency oil-free air compressor launched by Nanjing CIGU Limited Corporation through its independent R&D. It utilized advanced technologies such as maglev bearings and high-speed permanent magnet motors. The air compressor's main body consists of core components such as high-efficiency centrifugal impeller, 5 DOF magnetic bearing, high-strength rotor, high-power high-speed permanent magnetic motor, etc. Once started, the maglev bearing gets energized, and the electromagnetic attraction generated by the coil enables stable suspension of the rotor. Driven by the motor, the rotor begins rotating until the set operating speed is reached. While working, the filtered clean air enters the cabinet. Absorbed and compressed by the primary impeller, the discharged high-pressure and high-temperature gas is cooled by the heat exchanger and then compressed again by the secondary impeller. Finally, it is discharged from the air outlet after it achieves the demand pressure. In the process of using it, only the inlet filter cotton and the filter need to be replaced on a regular basis, which greatly reduces the maintenance cost of the equipment. The Maglev centrifugal air compressor can be widely used in various industrial applications as well as places with high requirements in respect of oil content, energy saving, or noise. Compared with traditional air compressors, it has following advantages: higher efficiency that can save more than 20% of energy, no lubrication is required and 100% oil-free in the air out, lower noise and vibration, easier to be installed and maintained, fully independent R&D that can provide customized services.